Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Printify publishing error, but please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. I currently do not have a product on my Printify, but I'll instruct you on what to do, so just please follow along. On Printify, go to your listings and select the product that you are having a problem from. Scroll down to store details. Under product details, to sync with your Etsy store, uncheck the shipping profile and set your shipping profile to the appropriate option and click confirm. Go back to my products and wait for that specific product to be labeled as hidden. After that, go to Etsy and navigate to that specific product again and click on it. Scroll down and click publish. Then refresh it, and once done, go back to Printify and click the product again. Scroll down and click all options under product details to sync with your Etsy, then uncheck hide in store. Now that's not been hidden to the store, and finally click publish, and that should fix the problem. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!